आदाब नाजरीन, INE टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
Lives of Indian citizens, I would say. The National Voters' Day, as we call it, I think is one of the most important days, but literally speaking, in all our lives. It is a day which gives you the right to vote. And the right to vote, I think, is one of the most precious rights that every citizen of India over and above the age of 18 gets. I would earnestly appeal to all citizens over and above the age of 18 to definitely register themselves as voters and do cast their votes without fail. The oath that was administered to you all speaks for itself as to what you should really do when you go to vote. Not be carried away by any factors of caste, creed, religion, or any other inducement. That, I think, is the most important aspect of this voting procedure. I would also like to congratulate the Chief Electoral Officer for the recently concluded elections to the State Assembly, which was done in an extremely peaceful, orderly manner and with almost a very high percentage of voting. Similarly, I would also like to congratulate Mr. Nagi Reddy, the State Election Commissioner, for the ongoing Panchayat elections. Both these elections have witnessed a very large turnout of voters, which by itself speaks of the people's faith in the process of voting. I mean, the most important landmark of any parliamentary democracy is the system of elections at periodic intervals. And that is what India can really feel proud of. And the Election Commission of India is supposed to be one of the most vibrant organizations all over the world. In fact, many people from various countries have come here to study our system of elections and have commended it for the peaceful conduct and the way the whole process is conducted. In fact, this time, we have also gone about making things easier for the physically disabled and challenged persons and also the visually impaired. So the facility has been set up for them, including for the senior citizens. So I think voting has been made much more easier for those who have suffer from various physical disabilities. But the most important thing is for the youth, those particularly the first-time voters. I would earnestly appeal that let Telangana be the path breaker, which is really going for voting percentage of well over 90%. I would be very happy if in the forthcoming elections to the parliament, we are able to register at least 90% should be the minimum voting percentage in Telangana. That will be my dream. And the purpose of such a function, with so many youth all climbing here and picking up their voting ID cards, is that you must go and vote. Yes, and it is a very simple process. You don't have to stand very long in the queues also these days. The number of booths have been increased and things have been made much easier. And because unless you are able to cast your vote, you have no right to demand anything of the government. Sitting round tables before televisions and in air-conditioned rooms and in debating tables, we all the time keep criticizing the government or governance. But when it comes to voting, we just sit down at home and relax. A holiday on the day of voting does not mean that you go away from headquarters and spend a holiday somewhere else. It means you will exercise your vote. And this is what I would like the citizens of the state, the electorate of this state, that even though it might be a holiday, please go and cast your vote. Unless you do that, I think you have no business to question governance. If you want to question the government for its for failures or whatever it is, shortcomings, I think you must exercise your vote. And as the oath has been given to you, please do not get influenced by anything. Because you are going to decide your future. Your future lies in your hands. The type of persons you are going to elect is going to be is in your hands. So please be careful in choosing the candidate for whom you are going to vote and make sure that your lives are made very happy in the years ahead. I wish you all good luck and please register at least 90% voting percentage in Telangana in the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections. Thank you very much for giving me this privilege. Wish you all the very best.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताजा अपडेट मिलते रहें।